Okay, let me show you how to generate your first macro inside Excel. For example, we have this report tab that has the pivot table inside it. We can select each individual state and the pivot table will refresh on its own. Our usual process is to generate one report for each individual state, copy paste into a separate file, and issue to the report user, for example, like the manager for each individual state. Or we can set up the macro and automate the processes and let Excel doing the trick for you so that you can send those generated reports to the users. Now I'm going to show you how to do the automation part by creating a macro. Now I'm going to show you how you can record a macro and generate the reports by itself. Before we create the macro, let's first create this developer tab. If you do not have this developer tab in Excel, click File, Options, under Customize ribbon on the right hand panel, you can see there's a developer tab. Make sure that this tab is checked. Click OK. Now you have developer tab. Under developer tab, you have all the buttons so that you can create the automation. Here, there is one button called Record Macro, or on the bottom, once you have the developer tab, you have this Recorder button. Once you have developer tab, you can have this Record a Macro button. Now, let's click this button. And here it asks you to define a macro name. Now let's define the macro as distribute reports. Remember here, the name does not take a space. So all you can do is to put underscore if you want, or simply no underscore, no space. Here you can say shortcut key. You can put any key that you want, as long as it does not coincide with the shortcut key inside Excel. But for this exercise, I simply leave it blank. And then store the macro in this workbook or under your personal macro workbook. Either way will work. For this exercise, simply leave it in this workbook and click OK. Now we are starting the macro. And remember, any clicks or entry that you made will be recorded. So make sure that you do not click something that you do not need or enter something that you do not want it to be in the macro. First, we're going to select California because that's the first one on the list. Click OK. Pivot table refreshes on itself. Great. Right-click the Report tab on the bottom. Click Move or Copy. We want to save this inside a new file called a new book. We are going to create a copy rather than move this tab away from this master file. Click OK. Now let's save this file under the folder that you specify for California. Let's save over it. And we can close it. This is the first one done. And then we can do the same for the remaining states. I'm going to do one more for you. Florida. OK. Right-click Report, Move or Copy. Create a copy for new book. OK. Save. Under Reports to Distribute, let's use Florida. Close. Done. And once we've done all the recording, we can click the square button to stop it. And now you may ask, how can we rerun that macro we just recorded? Very simple. Simply insert a button or a shape. I usually insert a square. And right-click the square you created. Assign macro. You have a list of macro you created. We just created one that we have given a name called Distribute Report. Let's click this one. OK. And on the button, you can simply put some words in there. Say, click to generate reports. All right. Now, when you mouse hover over the space, it changes into a point finger. All you need to do is simply click this shape because this one has the macro linked to it. Click, and it asks you if you want to replace the original file. Click yes because you want to generate the latest one. And yes for Florida. To done, and that's it. Now, let's go to the backend to see what a macro looks like and how we can customize it with our basic macro knowledge. Press Alt F11 to open the macro recorder. And here, as you can see, it includes several panes. Project VBA project, properties, and here is where you can see the macro that you just recorded. From here, you can see active sheets, pivot tables, and pivot table 2, which is the pivot table we generate for each individual state. First, it cleared the filters, and then it select California, which is the first on the list, and then it select that report, copy it over to a new one under the name and folder specified. And then save and close that file and redo the same for the next state. Very simple, right? Yes, I do want to keep it very simple so that you may use it right away in your future reporting. But someone may ask, right now we have 6 states. What if we have 30 states to generate? I do not want to record the steps for 30 states when I was generating reports. Is there a simple way of doing the macro? Yes, there is. And let me show you a simplified macro that reiterated itself rather than for you to recording the processor for generating all states. I'm not going into details because this is outside the scope of this course, which I can talk about in future courses. But for this course, I can quickly show you what it looks like. The first part is the assumptions. We need to define some assumptions for the name, file path, and distribution list. And next, second part is to ask the macro to start from the first item of the list, which is the first state, and copy, paste the pivot table into a new file, and then save that file under the specified file path and file name. Save it and close it. And then this language is very important. Next, D. Simply ask the macro to go back to the first of that distribution list and going down to the next one. So by doing this, it reiterates the processes until it reaches the end of that list, and then by that time it exits the sub. If there's any error, it will follow the error handler to exit the sub. And then once everything is done, the sub or the macro is ended. And that's it. Congratulations on building your first macro. Good job.